Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at one of my one-of-a-kind creations. This is the black apple to see. It does exist. It is real. It is not a myth. So we're going to take a quick look at what it is, how I did it. Yes, it's not a 3D printed, it's real. And we'll talk about it. So let's start. I remember I started this project when I went to Kansasfest and looked at James Littlejohn's Black 2C. I was pretty impressed. As you can see, this computer is not perfect. In fact, it has a lot of imperfections. This is because it was made from a parts computer, a broken computer. Also, it has a lot of chipping, but overall, it looks really nice from afar. For this project, I use a broken 2C. I glue it, sand it, and of course painted on top of it after that. I also tried dyeing it, but it never took the color very well. You can see the handle, it doesn't keep the color very well. If you look closer, there's some parts that are still rough, some edges that have some little roughening, but overall it really looks good. The most difficult part was to find a good keyboard, a matching keyboard. I spent about 6 months looking for one and finally found it. Anyway, this is a normal A2S 4100, the one with the memory port. It also have the ROM4X installed, which I recommend a lot. The keyboard, as I was saying, was very hard to find. It comes from a MacLeod keyboard. It's for PC, and I had to, as you could see, put some patches over some of the keys because they didn't match, of course. For the future, I want to get some white decals made to replace the ones that I did by hand, basically, both for the keys and for the name of the 2C. But right now, overall, it doesn't show too much. It looks pretty good. I also want to upgrade the LED with these two color LED from Plamen and the memory. As I stated, I will replace these keys decals for professional ones. There you have it, the ROM4X. And there you have it. This was a nice project and it's a great conversation piece. In the near future I'll be upgrading it and maybe giving another layer of paint. Who knows? Please don't forget to comment, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you very much again for watching and see you next time.